Mark Clements. I'm the operations manager for Houston Cement Company here in beautiful Houston, Texas. SmartLoader is a systems integrated into our truck loading program that allows the spout to automatically find the open hatch on the truck and drop itself in. The SmartLoader allows us to reduce our scale time for every truck loading. As the old system, the truck driver used to get out of his truck, go up a flight of stairs to a landing, and he would manually put the spout in himself. This probably saves well over a minute and a half to 2 minutes of scale time per truck. We can load on a regular basis over 400 trucks a day with minimal wait times, compared to probably in the old days 350 was probably the max we could do. So it's increased our throughput. Our drivers like the system. You know, it's one less time he's got to get out of his truck. It's one less stairway to ascend, one less stairway to descend. And, you know, he's got about 5 minutes to sit in his truck while it's being loaded. It's much safer for the fact that truck driver, again, stays in his truck and is not on our property. I'll give you some numbers. They're not gospel, but I think the market here is about 6 million tons a year. We supply 2 million tons of that ourselves. So this system is a piece in the grand plan of things to, you know, it would be nice to see a day when every truck has an automatic hatch on it and a driver never has to step foot on our property. That's the day I'm looking for.